Welcome to my review video. This video I'm going to review Redoka's Glass Cleaner. This product, before I go into anything, this video is sponsored by Redoka themselves, so thank you very much to those guys for sending me this product down to review and try out. I've had this product, this glass cleaning product, for 2-3 weeks now, and I can honestly say I love it. Honestly, it is really good. It does exactly what you expect it to. It cleans glass. It will shift any form of dirt off your glass, whether it be ingrained grime that you get inside the vehicles, to bug splats on the outside of your windows, to watermarks, the marks that get left on your window after you've had a suction cap, so a dash cam or sat nav stuck into the window, phone holder, stuff like that. It will remove all of those marks, and it does it without leaving any streaks. So what we'll do is I'll get into some of the nitty-gritty detail of it, and then we'll have a look at the product itself. Okay, so the Redoka Glass Cleaner. The sample that I've got here is literally a pre-manufacturing sample. So when you do come to buy, or if you do, buy this product, the label may look different, the spray design may be slightly different, stuff like that. So don't expect, if you order anything, for it to look exactly like this. Like I say, this is the pre-designed model. This size tub here is 1 litre of the cleaning product that was sent out to me. As you can maybe see, I've not even used a lot of it in 3 weeks, so the product does last quite a while. You don't need to apply a lot of it onto the glass, the windows, the mirrors, those sort of surfaces. Don't need to apply a lot of it on, just a little bit, and it'll get the job done. Obviously it'd be worth going over and checking out their website. I will put a link to their website down below in the description. If you head over to there, have a look, see what they're selling, what the products are, what sort of prices they're charging. Obviously they've got more than just the glass cleaner. I have got other videos to upload. Or, you know, speak to the guys, email them if they've got a contact phone number. I'm not sure if they've got one at the time of recording this. Drop them a phone call, speak to them. I'm sure they will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so like I say, we're going to move on to how I've found the best way, my recommendation, to use and apply this product. First things first, safety. Always wear some protective gloves. These are neoprene gloves that I've got, just to keep any of the product off your hands, off your skin. I don't think it would hurt you if it came into contact with you. It may be an irritant, but I recommend obviously using your PPE just to keep it nice and safe, and still washing your hands afterwards just to make sure. Now, one thing I did query with the guys about this product is the smell of it. It smells pretty chemically, not overpoweringly, but it smells chemically. Compared to some of the other products that are out there on the market that have a fragrance with them, this hasn't got it. Now obviously, with speaking to the guys, they've found that if they put a fragrance in here, the cleaning quality of the product goes down. So the cleaning quality is second to none, so therefore not having a fragrance in it is fine by me. So I recommend doing it in a well ventilated area. So obviously you've got your product, you've got your window, got your PPE on. Things that I recommend you need a clean microfiber towel. Doesn't have to be anything special, just a clean microfiber will do the job. This is, I think it's just a cheapo one, comes in like a multi-pack, so I've got one of those. And a clean microfiber glass cloth. You don't have to have one of these. You could probably use kitchen roll for the job of this, something like that. But I would recommend getting yourselves one of these if you want to achieve the same finish quality as what I've been achieving with the product. This is the best thing that I've found. So that's a microfiber glass cloth. You can pick them up from most car shops. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of the window here. I'm just going to use this half of it. Now, it's not too dirty at the moment. The bottle itself comes with a spray setting on the top, so you can adjust, pardon me, you can adjust how much liquid comes out. But simply holding it about 15-20 centimetres away from the glass, just squirt a little bit on like so. And we'll put the product down. We'll just let it run and soak in a bit, and then using your clean microfiber towel, just spread it about. I recommend using vertical lines, so up and down, left and right, straight lines, not circles, just straight lines. And it shifted a bit off. Now, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can pick it up where you are, but it's already evaporated and there's absolutely no streaking on that glass whatsoever. I've not even used the microfiber cloth. I've literally just smeared the product around with my clean microfiber towel, and yep, it's pretty much evaporated already. What I'd then do is just put a little bit more back on, and then with your microfiber cloth, same again, spread that around. Same again, straight line motions. That window, that bit of that window is absolutely spotless now. So, like I say, product is dead easy to use, dead simple, dead straightforward. Microfiber cloth to start off with, towel, sorry, to start off with, just to spread it about, get it really worked in. If you've got some real bad stains, you may just have to get a little bit of a pressure, bit of scrub, but just get it worked in. Then obviously it'll evaporate, spray a little bit more on, taking a clean microfiber cloth, just wipe all over the area using straight line motion. You too can have nice crystal clear glass. I would give this product a, honestly, 9 out of 10 rating. Now, the only reason it's not scored 10 out of 10 for me is the smell. But, like I've explained earlier on, the smell, they add a fragrance, you lose the cleaning quality. So, for me, 9 out of 10. I can live with the smell. I just open the windows, open the doors, ventilate the cab out, that's fine by me. Value for money, this is absolutely top-notch value for money. £5 for a 1 litre of this cleaning product. Most other cleaning products you'd be paying more than that for a smaller amount of it, and you don't get as good a quality cleaning. Hope this has been useful to you all. If you did like this product, please, like I say, head over to their website. I'll put a link in the description down below. Head over to their website, get yourself some ordered, get yourself nice crystal clear glass. If you do the inside and the outside, spot on. I can't fault it. You won't even notice that you've got glass there. Thank you very much for watching. Obviously, I will be reviewing some more of their products. If you like this sort of thing, please do like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much. I'm Trucking Chris. Have a nice day.